Narito po ako upang maipaalam sa inyo, lalo na po sa ating mga kababayan, nakaisa ninyo ako sa pagkilala sa kahalagahan ng usaping ito tungkol sa Priority Development Assistance Fund. Napapanood o alam niyo siguro kung gaano ko kasigasig pag meron mga ganitong klaseng pagdinig dito sa Senado. Yung usapin patungkol sa anomalyas militar, impeachment trial, Chief Justice Corona, usapin tungkol sa wedding, sex for flight issue, kung ano pang mainit na issue na dinidinig ng committee ito. Name it, and I am among those at the forefront because like the chairman and other members of this committee, I recognize the importance of legislative investigations in drafting laws to address issues of national importance. However, being one of those whose name has been mentioned in connection with the pork barrel issue, I feel compelled to excuse myself from participating in these proceedings. I believe that my presence during this investigation may be conceived as deterring the resource persons from providing relevant information or may be perceived as impeding the free-flowing discussions among the participants here. To avoid such eventualities, Mr. Chair, I am requesting therefore that I be excused from attending these proceedings. At sa ating mga kababayan, pinalaki po ako ng aking mga magulang na may takot sa Diyos. Alam ko kung ano ang tama at mali, kung ano ang makatao at tiwali. Kaya makakaasa po kayo na katuwang niyo pa rin ako rito sa pagsasatama ng mali at pagsasaayos ng tiwali. Maraming salamat po.
Kaya totoo sa akin.
We'd also like to acknowledge